In this video, I am going to show you how to set or remove file or folder permission in Linux. So, first of all, the Linux permissions are divided into into groups, three groups. Maybe the first group is the user, whose name is Kali presently, and the second group is group name, and last is other users. Mean public, anyone can access. So there are default permissions assigned to every folder and files. The minus represent files and D represent directories, as you can see. So to assign permission, you can either use numeric, or you can use the alphabetical ways. So in this video, I am going to use the numerical, how we can set to use the using binary method. So here are the permission. 0 to 7 is the number. So 0 means no permission. 1 mean 1 means execute permission, that is represent as X, and 2 means write permission, that is represented by W, and 3 means 2 plus 1 write plus execute, and 4 mean read permission, and 5 mean read plus execute, RX. WX, this mean only read, and 4 plus 2 if we want to give read plus write permissions, this means RW, and this is full control, read plus write plus execute, RWX. So presently, if you see, normally permissions are given. So if you want to change the permission, usually we don't need to give permission in Linux, but to run some script, we need to give the script a permission. So by default, in this video, we are using this file. I have written some text in this file and want to change the permission. So for example, if I want to give only, if I want to give the right permission to everyone, so I can use this command chmod, and then I can use the 6 mean read write, 6 mean read write, and 6, and then type the file name on which you want to give the permission. So now everyone has read write permission on this file. If you want to remove this permission, you can type this mode command and 660. So other user can't access my files. So now see, the permission has been removed from the other user. So in this way, you can set and remove permission in Linux. Thanks for watching.